Welcome to iQuestionPH. Our today's question is: what is an object pronoun? An object pronoun is a pronoun used to replace the object of a sentence. The object of a sentence is the noun that receives the action. It is usually used in the predicate of a sentence after an action verb or with a preposition such as for, at, into, with, or to. Here are the 7 basic pronouns that take on different forms when used as object pronouns rather than as subject pronouns. I becomes me. He becomes him. She becomes her. We becomes us. They becomes them. It stays as it. And you also stays as you. Let's study the following sentences. Number 1. Amy drinks the coffee. In this sentence, the action word or the verb is the word drinks. The object noun that receives the action is the coffee. If we replace it with an object pronoun, which is it, now the sentence will become Amy drinks it. Number 2. I really enjoy being with Cheska. In this sentence, we have a preposition, which is the word with. As what we've learned, the object pronoun can be used after the prepositions. So it means our object noun in the sentence is Cheska. If we replace this with an appropriate object pronoun, which is her, the sentence will now become I really enjoy being with her. Here are other example sentences. First, we use them for the object of a verb. Examples: Nessa helps me. The puppy chased you. The toddler hugged him. Charlie called her. The teacher wrote it. The students obeyed us. And Jake invited them. Also, we use them after a preposition. Examples: Willie works for them. You can sit with us. I am looking forward to it. This is important to me. She will come with you. Henry always looks at her. This gift is for him. And that was the definition of the object pronoun. Again, object pronoun is a pronoun used to replace the object of a sentence. The object of a sentence is the noun that receives the action. It is usually used in the predicate of a sentence after an action verb or with a preposition such as for, at, into, with, or to. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time.